it's the 12th of July 2022. We have Saimaankatu 62 Stekisby. It's completely different from Stekisby here, but it's really nice too. With 10 floors, with automatic doors. It's here in Lahti, Finland. It was built in 1997. It must be early 1997.
Yeah.
Because the Stekisby was built in 1996, early 1996, between 1995 and 96. And this is 1997, turning 25, so this year in 2022. And the cylinder is 1E2129. Capacities 8 versions of Otis and decorations will be inspected in the next year, 2023. I think we will try 2 rides here.
Yeah.
Because it's worth it. And it has the green forest ending. I'll check the cable.
Yeah.
It's green here. Looking for down, that's it was lit up. That was weird. But very interesting. This one is green too. Close the door.
Ispittiin vaikka vain meidän paikka on.
You can try the call button here. It's green.
Yeah.
For down, green. That's interesting. It's
Yeah.
like really rare. I've never seen it before.
Yeah.
And also, it's so strange that they have the for the ground floor and for the attic floor is green.
Yeah, I think all bottoms are green. Second
Yeah.
floor is green at least.
Alright. It's very rare.
Yeah.
So of course we had to film this as well.
Mm.
We couldn't let this be unfilmed. Which is good. Because it's even rarer than we thought.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well that's it, and thank you very much for watching. Please watch the scenic elevator here, which is in a turquoise color.
That's